In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively scale objects and images using Adobe Illustrator. Learning how to scale items accurately in Illustrator can be a game changer for your design workflow. So let's dive right in and explore the different ways you can do this. First things first, you're going to want to start by selecting the object or image you wish to scale. To do this, make sure you have the selection tool active. You can access it quickly by pressing the V key. Now your item is selected and we can move on to scaling it. There are a few different methods to achieve this, depending on your specific needs and preferences. Let's look at each option, starting with the most intuitive one, using the bounding box. When your image or object is selected, you'll notice a box with handles at the corners and sides surrounding it. To scale your object, simply click and drag one of these corner handles. It's important to note that if you want to maintain the proportions of your object while scaling, you'll need to hold down the Shift key as you drag. This will help in keeping the scaling even and avoid any unwanted distortion. Now, let's explore another versatile method, using the Transform panel. If you prefer working with exact values or need precision, this is the right tool for you. With your selection still active, go to the top menu bar and click on Window, then select Transform. This will open up a panel where you can manually input specific dimensions for width and height. Remember, if you want to keep the proportions consistent, ensure the lock icon, which represents the link between width and height, is activated. This will automatically adjust the corresponding dimension as you enter numbers, making it a more structured approach to scaling. Finally, we have the Scale tool, a great option for more hands-on scaling. You'll find this tool in the toolbar. Simply press the S key to access it quickly. Once selected, click on the image or object to choose a reference point from which you'd like to scale. Then, just drag to grow or shrink your image. A helpful tip here is to hold down the Alt key if you're on Windows or the Option key on a Mac. This will allow your scaling to originate from the center of your selection. Additionally, holding Shift while dragging will ensure you maintain the proportions. One more thing to consider while scaling images that include strokes or special effects is whether you want these elements to scale alongside your image. To ensure that strokes and effects scale proportionally, go to Edit, then Preferences, and select General if you're on Windows. For Mac users, navigate to Illustrator, then Preferences, followed by General. Once here, check the box that says Scale Strokes and Effects. There you have it. Multiple ways to scale your objects efficiently and keep your designs looking sharp and precise in Adobe Illustrator. Happy designing!